Alright, Friday night drift party. We're gonna test the angle kit and see how it plays out. So, let's just get to it. Alright, let's cut that rah-rah off. I'm gonna start the backtrack just because I gotta get used to this angle. Once I get a few runs, then I'll run up to the front.
Alright, dude, let me see you hook that shit to the moon over there.
I'll try. I got new mods, so I'm gonna try to do that. Second run. First one felt pretty decent. I feel like I can send it harder. This run plays out pretty good. I'm going to the front track. Waste no time. What's fucking me up is this right here. Broken. Yeah, broken in last event. You look comfortable.
I'm usually in this seat anyway.
There you go. That works.
I may come back around.
Yeah. Nope.
So, since you don't have an e-brake right now, you're going to enter every corner a little bit later.
Okay.
So that one over there, you're not going to enter as early. So then this way, and you got to really whip it.
Okay.
Just like you have. But once you get that angle, you got to stay committed. Go to that side. Yeah, because you don't have the e-brake, because there you would initiate and then use the e-brake to position yourself.
Right.
You don't have that option anymore.
Right.
So what you're going to do is you're going to initiate a little bit later.
Okay.
So then this way, when you get sideways, you're not losing enough speed so you can straighten out, because you notice how you straightened up and then
Right.
if you enter later, you carry more speed into the corner, which will propel your car forward.
Okay.
Because you don't have the e-brake.
Right, because I got so used to initiating right before yellow, and I usually make it, but now with this new setup, I'm like a little worried.
Yeah. So you can enter as late as you want.
Okay.
Enter later and then like start building your way back up to where you were again. So it's like a safe zone.
Correct.
So having that speed is going to allow, because right now you're entering and then you don't have an e-brake to position yourself, so your car is like everywhere.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? So enter a little bit later. We're gonna go next.
All right. Fucking e-brake.
So like, just remember, like, having an e-brake allows you not so much to initiate, because when you use, just get into a normal line now.
Okay.
When you initiate using an e-brake, it's a decreasing inertial factor.
Okay.
You're getting sideways, but you're losing speed immediately.
Okay.
Whereas when you clutch kick,
I'm gaining speed.
You're gaining speed.
Okay.
So since you didn't have a way to position yourself, you just entered later and you saw you carried way more speed than you did before. Alright? So what you can do is, as you start getting better, you can start judging when you can gas it, because now you know, well, if I need to catch up or I'm offline, I can just gas really fast.
Right.
Link 2 car links and then initiate, and I'm back on the ball game.
Okay.
But if you had an e-brake, you'd probably be able to enter faster and never even use the e-brake to initiate. Sometimes you do.
Right.
But you use it to kind of position your car when you need it to go.
Okay.
But at this point, you don't need it because your car's pretty balanced.
So far.
That was awesome, dude. You got that pretty.
Thank you, man.
Woo! All right.
Hell of a ride.
On to the next one.
Scary first one, though.
You have no idea. Like, I travel everywhere doing this, and you guys are by far better than like half the United States.
Thank God. Thanks. Probably one of the best compliments I ever gotten. Awesome. It's not having power in the last corner, you know?
Don't go yet. Okay, now go.
That was good footage back there. Alright, I'm done with my break. Took a longer break than I thought because I decided, oh, light is in your eye. Decided to take a break, let the car cool down, and now I'm ready to go back out there. It's only 1 more hour left, so I probably get like 1 more run. well worth it. Let's do this. Probably get one more run. I end up taking a longer break than I expected. So it happens when there's a bar around. Sometimes you just want to drink and have some fun. Look at that line. Get one more out of here. Let's see. Hopefully this line moves quicker. Woo! Well, they called it a night. That's all right. I got my one run in. I had a good night. I love this new fucking angle kit. It allows me to send it harder with no regard. Well, till next time, Driftin Smurfette, Flaco's out. I'm about to go get drunk. Deuces.